Hello, my name is Altaf. So today is the 19th day of Zoom Marathon Challenge Season 4. So today we will talk about the front-end development, back-end development, full-stack development. So in the front-end development, front-end developers make visual effects of the website. It's like using Photoshop or Sketch to making design, then developing that design on the web pages. Like they use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for designing the page. So for structuring the page, we a front-end developer use the HTML language. Then for styling the page, they use CSS for styling. Then for interacting, for making the website interactive, they use JavaScript for like that DOM manipulation or making interactive like calculation type things. So logical parts of the website, that type of things they are done in the JavaScript. So basically, they use the skeleton of the website that is interactive and other things like designing, layout, fonts, button color, visual effects. That's all come in the front end development. Then we have a back end development. So in the back end development, we design a server side, like making APIs, making request responses, things, making the interaction with the database, and sending a response to the front end. That type of things we did done in the backend development. So in the front end development, we have to learn only one language. If you want to do backend in the Python, then we have to learn only Python. If you want to do backend in the Java, then we can learn only Java. And if we want to learn the JavaScript, then JavaScript only one language is enough to make the front backend. For front end, we have to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or for front end, there are frameworks like AngularJS, Vue.js, Next.js, that type of thing, React.js, that type of things of the framework works in the front end. So in the back end, we have Django, Python, Spring Boot in the Java, and Node.js in the JavaScript. So for Ruby, there are Ruby on Rails for the backend development. So that's called backend development. So in the backend, we make the server side, and for full stack developer, we combine both, like front end and back end. A developer which can make front end of the website and can make the back end of the website, both can do, then we call it a full stack developer. Full stack developer make website from scratch, from front end to back end, then database, then deployment. So that all works come in the picture of the full stack development. So for full stack developer, we have to learn all the front end sites language like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And for backend, we have to learn like if you want to do Java in JavaScript. So JavaScript is enough because we learn in the front end HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So JavaScript is enough to make backend. But if you want to make backend in other language, so we have to learn that language also. So for backend, one language is enough. For front end, we have to learn three languages compulsory: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, then frameworks. And in the backend, we have to learn only one language. So that's all about the front end development, backend development, and full stack development.